Creating a study schedule that is both effective and manageable is crucial for achieving success. There are several key steps that students can take to ensure that their study schedule is tailored to their individual needs and abilities. Step 1. Assess your needs. The first step in creating a study schedule is to assess your needs. This includes evaluating your current situation, your study habits, and your personal responsibilities. Consider the following questions. What subjects do you need to focus on? If it is for school, what classes do you need to study for? Or, if it is for work, what skills do you need to focus on? How much time do you have available to study each day or week? What are your current study habits? Are they effective or do they need improvement? What other responsibilities do you have, such as work or family commitments? Step 2. Set specific goals. Once you have assessed your needs, the next step is to set specific goals. These goals should be realistic, measurable, and achievable. For example, instead of setting a general goal of studying more, set a specific goal of studying for at least 2 hours per day. Step 3. Create a schedule. With your goals in mind, create a schedule that outlines specific study times for each subject or class. Be sure to incorporate short breaks and free time into your schedule to prevent burnout. It is also a good idea to schedule time for review and practice, as well as time for any necessary research or assignments. Step 4. Stick to the schedule. One of the most important steps in creating a study schedule is sticking to it. This means setting aside specific times each day or week for studying and avoiding procrastination or distractions. It is also important to be flexible and adjust your schedule as needed. Step 5. Evaluate your progress. Regularly evaluate your progress to see if your study schedule is working for you. Are you meeting your goals? Are you feeling overwhelmed? Are there any changes that need to be made? By evaluating your progress, you can make any necessary adjustments to your schedule to ensure that it is helping you achieve your academic goals. In conclusion, creating a study schedule that is both effective and manageable is crucial for achieving academic success. By assessing your needs, setting specific goals, creating a schedule, sticking to it, and evaluating your progress, you can ensure that your study schedule is tailored to your individual needs and abilities. Remember, a study schedule is a tool to help you manage your time, work efficiently, and reach your goals. In the age of information, the person who knows the most gets to have the most. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want to learn how to make difficult things easy so that you can live the life of your dreams by studying 4 subjects not taught in school. Until then, I'll see you in my next video.